Positron Emission Tomography, commonly known as a PET scan, is a sophisticated imaging technique used in the medical field. It works by utilizing a mildly radioactive substance called a tracer, which is either ingested or injected into the bloodstream. A PET scan monitors the movement of the tracer and creates images that map out active and less active areas of the body, providing valuable information about the function of tissues and organs. PET scans are commonly used in oncology to identify cancerous tumors and evaluate the effectiveness of treatment. In neurology, PET scans can detect brain disorders such as Alzheimer's disease, epilepsy, and other conditions affecting brain function. They are also used in cardiology to evaluate heart health, particularly to identify areas of the heart that have been affected by lack of blood flow. The PET scan's ability to provide detailed images of active biological processes makes it a crucial tool in diagnosing and managing health issues. So, PET scanners are medical devices used for imaging, but I've often wondered if PET plastic is used in PET scanners. So, what do you think? The answer is no. Welcome back to another episode of Polymer E-Club's Ask Dr. Paul. Today we're going to highlight the thermoplastic processing technique, injection stretch blow molding. So when your boss talks about 3 and 4 station ISBM machines, what do you need to know? For a quick review of ISBM bottle making, I will mention that injection molding tooling makes preforms, while blow molding tooling uses stretch rods to stretch the preform, then air pressure is applied to blow bottles. The ISBM process creates bottles using 3 and 4 station machines, and a snapshot of the 3 station machine is shown on your screen. Since we mentioned PET use in a PET scanner, we might as well compare the ISBM processing of PET and polypropylene. Random polypropylene has a melting temperature of about 150 C and a crystallization temperature of about 105 C, and it is a fast crystallizer. So with a 3-station ISBM machine, we melt then cool polypropylene to make preforms, which are transferred to the blow molding tooling, and we make bottles from preforms with a taffy consistency as the material naturally cools, going from station to station. The main challenge of polypropylene ISBM is to blow bottles before they become glassy, meaning before they cool to T sub C, and 110 to 120 degrees C processing temperature is common. Then the bottles are transferred to the ejection station, where they are ejected by opening the lip cavity as the bottles approach room temperature. PET has a high melting temperature of about 250 C and a crystallization temperature of about 150 C. And again, we do not want PET to crystallize because we do not want to blow preforms that are in a fully crystalline and rigid state. Unlike polypropylene, PET is a slow crystallizer, so we typically quench or quick cool the preform during molding with a low mold temperature. So the preform temperature drops rapidly without crystallizing, creating an amorphous, transparent preform, which is ready for stretch blowing with a taffy consistency and a material temperature of about 110 C. Remember, the amorphous preform will not become glassy or rigid until it approaches TG, which is about 75 C. The main distinction between 3 and 4 station ISBM machines is that a 4-station machine has a conditioning station between the preform and the bottle blowing areas, which can apply heat to soften the preform's consistency. Remember, bottles are dialed in with a specific blow pressure and temperature combination, and in the 4-station process, the conditioning station can increase temperature, which allows for lower blow pressures to make bottles, and the process can be iterated to create high-quality, stress-free, stretch-blown bottles. Knowing the injection stretch blow molding process and the common materials it uses with 3 and 4-station machines, that's working knowledge. Remember to like, subscribe, turn on notification, and even share if you appreciate the content. You can visit our website to learn more about our upcoming polymer processing course. I'm Paul Nash for Polymer E-Club's Ask Dr. Paul. Thanks for watching.